guys! Good morning! Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Again, this is Ina on dressmaking and crafting. So ngayon guys, mananahi po tayo ng polo shirts. Order po ito sa akin, bali 16 piraso. So bago ko muna ito tatahiin, ay ipapattern ko muna ito. So let's go guys, samahan niyo po akong mag-pattern at manahi. First is we're going to make a perpendicular line. At markahan sa corner ng letter A. So para po sa ating neckline height, magsukat mula A pababa ng 2.5 inches, markahan po ng letter B. At para po sa ating armhole, mula A pababa, magsukat po ng kalahati po ng ating armhole, then markahan po natin ng letter C. So, mula A pababa, measures 14.5 inches para po sa ating baywang at markahan ito ng letter D. Then again, mula A pababa ulit para po sa ating length ng polo shirt is measures 25 inches. Markahan po natin ng letter E. Next is from A to the right, measures 3 inches and that is our neckline wide, marked letter F. And after that, we're going to shape our neckline using our French curve. Next is from A to the right, measures 1/2 of shoulder length, then mark letter G. Next is from G downwards, measures 1.5 inches, then mark letter H. Then connect F to H with diagonal line and that is our shoulder. The center of B and C is our front chest and mark letter I. Next is from I to the right, measures 1/2 of our front chest measurement, then mark letter J. And connect H to J with a straight line using our roller. From C to the right is 1/4 of our chest measurement, then mark letter K. Then by using our fringe curve, we shape our armhole. From D to the right is 1/4 of our waistline measurement, then mark letter L. And then we're going to connect D to L, K to L with a straight line using our ruler. So from E to the right, measures of our 1/4 hip circumference, then mark letter M. Connect E to M, then L to M with a straight line using our ruler. So this is the front pattern of our polo shirt. So we use another color of pen in order to identify the front and back pattern. From A downward, measures 1 inch and mark number 1. So try to look at the position of fringe curve in shaping our back and front neckline. So that is the difference of shaping the front and back neckline using our fringe curve. Next is from H upward, measures 1/2 inch and mark number 2. At connect natin yung F to number 2 with diagonal line and that is our back shoulder. Next is from J to the right, measures 1/2 inch and mark number 3. Then we're going to connect 2 and number 3 using our ruler. Next is from K to the left, measures 1/2 inch and mark number 4. Then from L to the left, measures 1/2 inch and mark number 5. Next is from M to the left, measures 1/2 inch as well and mark number 6. And then we're going to shape our armhole using our fringe curve. And then connect 4 to 5, 5 to 6 with a straight line using our ruler. And that's the final of our back pattern for polo shirt. So ito po yung tela na gagamitin natin. Ang tawag sa tela na ito is dry fit. So ngayon guys, mag-umpisa na tayong magbakat sa pattern natin doon sa tela. Unahin lang natin yung back pattern. So ipin po natin yung pattern natin guys para hindi po siya mag-move. Sunod is maglagay po tayo ng sewing allowance. Sa hemming, naglalagay po ako ng 1 1/4 sewing allowance. Then sa side is 1 inch. Then sa shoulder is 1/2 only. So ngayon, tabasin na natin ang ating pattern. So pagkatapos po dito guys, doon naman tayo sa ating front pattern. So ito po yung ating front pattern. Ibakat ulit natin ito doon sa ating tela. At lagyan ulit natin ito guys ng sewing allowance paikot. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for new updates. Ngayon naman, tatabasin natin yung ating front pattern. So, yun po ang pinaka-design ng ating polo shirt guys. Yellow nga lang ang pang-upper natin, hindi white. So, ito guys, tapos na po natin itong tabasin yung front natin. Ngayon naman, magtatabas na po tayo doon sa yellow. So, ngayon guys, lupiin na natin yung ating front pattern. Then, check natin yung length ng placket. Kasi, yung upper nito is color yellow. Then, gupitin na po natin pa slant. Sunod is ibakat na ulit natin yung ating front pattern. Then, ipin natin. Pagkatapos natin dyan, tabasin natin yung sa gitna pa slant. Sunod guys is ibakat natin doon sa ating yellow na tela. Pin ulit natin para hindi ito mag-move. So, ayan, tapos na natin nitong ating front upper. So, ito yung pinaka-design talaga ng ating polo shirt. So, ayan, ito na po yung ating pinaka-final sa ating front panel. I-fold po natin yung ating upper na front. Then, gupitin po natin itong center para po sa ating placket. Ito na po ang pinaka-final ng ating front pattern. Doon naman po tayo sa ating sleeve. So, ito po yung ating sleeve guys. Hindi ko na i-detalye sa inyo kasi kaka-upload ko lang ng bago kong videos about sa basic sleeve. Panoorin nyo na lang po iyon guys para po masundan nyo ito kasi same lang naman po ang process. So magtabas na po tayo ngayon ng ating sleeve. Pin ulit natin ito guys. Lagi po natin itong ipipin para hindi po magmo-move. At as usual, gagawa po tayo ng sewing allowance. So, yung portion na yan guys, is yan yung front sa ating sleeve. Bawasan lang po natin ito ng konti kasi mas malalim ng konti ang ating front sleeve. So, dito naman po tayo sa ating collar. Sports collar lang ang gagamitin natin. So, simple lang siya. So, gumawa po tayo ng straight line that ang haba niyan is 18. Then, yung lapad nito is 3 inches. So, pantay-pantay lang natin ito guys. Parang rectangle lang po ang shape niya. Length at saka width lang ang isusukat natin dyan. So, magtatabas na po tayo sa ating collar. Then, same process, ipipin natin, then lalagyan po natin ng sewing allowance. So guys, natapos na po yung ating ginawang polo shirt mula sa pag-pattern at pagtabas. Abangan nyo po sa part 2 guys, yung papaano ko ito tatahiin ang ating polo shirts. Hope you enjoy watching guys, and please like and subscribe sa channel ko. Salamat po ng marami. Enjoy watching.